So today we're installing this AWE zero fucks given exhaust on this RAM RHO. And I'm not lying, it's 0FG. Look at the box. Now this is AWE's 180 technology, which is a 180 no drone technology. It's a dual muffler, full 3-inch catback system for this twin turbo inline 6 on this RHO here, which has the Hurricane high output engine. So really excited to see how this is going to sound. We've installed AWE exhaust before on some of the vehicles we had, and the results were great. They come with these dual black chrome tips right here. It has nice labeled parts with all the numbers so you know where everything goes, and the instructions are extremely detailed, so we're excited to get this exhaust on and see how it performs. All right, so now that we have this truck up on the lift, we're gonna go and look at the factory exhaust, and this thing is pretty awesome. I've never seen the undercarriage one of these things, so here obviously the tips coming out, and this is a true dual exhaust system, which is wild because I didn't think it was going to be. However, you only have a single muffler on this system right now. The AWE exhaust is going to give us dual mufflers, so that's going to be interesting. And it's not here. The dual mufflers, I think, are somewhere back here. The X pipe sits here on the AWE system, so that's going to be a little different here than this H pipe. And then both of these go to both catted down pipes, and it kind of snakes around itself here, kind of like crosses over, and they meet up on the same side, the driver's side. But the flanges are right here, should be a simple install. This will be a little interesting to kind of get all this taken care of here in this like crossover area. But seeing as this is a fully bolt-on system, it shouldn't be that hard to get around all this stuff here. And yeah, this thing is cool. Got a TRX logo right here, and we can see that. We're thinking this is essentially a TRX without the motor. So I'm pretty excited to hear how this is going to sound. Harry behind the camera is going to be doing the install today, so.
Yeah, it's going to be fun. Everything looks fairly brand new, so I shouldn't have a hard time really cracking anything.
What do you think? Maybe 2, 3, maybe a 4 fucks given? Definitely more fucks given than the one
dude, this is
on.
an 8 fucks given.
You think
this
so?
This is easily 8 fucks given. Dude, listen to it start.
Yeah, you're right, probably 8 or so.
Yeah.
And this is gonna be a 0, so we're going from 8 to
well,
0.
This is what they say to be a 0, so
Yeah.
we'll be the judge of that.
So AWE Tuning is located in Horsham, PA, which is a little north of Philadelphia, which is nice because they're very local to us, and all of their exhaust is made completely in-house at their headquarters using 304 stainless steel sourced right here in Pennsylvania. So instead of boring you guys with a long installation, we decided to just take the old one off, put the new one on, and go through it here. Harry is getting ready to torque everything down. All the clamps are on. We're gonna come out here for the back, avoid the spare tire. We did have to remove the spare tire, or at least let it down to get the exhaust on. But there you have it. This kit is definitely tight, however, it fits. I mean, there's just enough clearance for pretty much everything. Here are the 2 mufflers. You can see how close they are. We do have one touch in here, so we're gonna have to adjust that. But other than that, there is clearance between both of them, around the frame, around the transmission. You really have to just kind of like take your time adjusting this thing. These kits are made to fit perfectly, so you just got to take the time to do it. My favorite thing about this exhaust is you get to grab each joint by the balls like this and adjust just the tip, because this is a 0 fucks given exhaust.
You can't say that on the video.
I did.
All that attention on the balls and you didn't even work the shaft.
All right, here we go. First startup with the new AWE exhaust. Sounds good. A lot different. Dude, what? So there it is, the zero fucks given exhaust from AWE on this pretty sweet Ram 1500 RHO. I mean, I kind of want to go take a rip in it. What do you think? Should we do it?
100%.
Let's go. So this thing sounds drastically different. You couldn't even really hear the exhaust before. Now you can actually hear it. So this is the Hurricane high output engine, 540 horsepower. It's not a V8, but you know what? Sometimes V6s do sound cool, and if they make a lot of power, why not? So let's see how this thing actually sounds. That thing sounds good, man.
Yo.
And that shift is really nasty.
Yeah, dude, it popped.
So apparently
Dude,
you
that
can
was
launch
quick.
this thing too. Look, it's got a launch button right here. Look at this thing. It's got a little tree, 3 yellow lights and a green and red. Dude, hopefully we don't red light. Sport drive mode, sport suspension, transmission, all that stuff. Apply brake pressure, launch enabled. Oh, this thing's sweet. This thing actually shifts even better on launch mode. It like throws you back a little bit, doesn't it? Yeah, this thing's cool. I like it. And with this AWE exhaust, it sounds freaking sweet too. Like it should come like this from the factory, but
Look at the Starlight headliner. bro.
oh, we didn't talk about the Starlight headliner. Yeah,
Really
apparently-
nice.
Apparently, this thing has a Starlight headliner. Like that's the sort of stuff you see on like Bentleys. This thing is definitely zero fucks given.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
I've said it. I don't know how many times. I got to bleep it out probably 80 different times in this
That's
video,
okay.
but it is
You just
what
gotta
it
put a
is,
duck
dude.
noise over top of it.
Zero fucks given. Zero fucks given exhaust. Zero fucks given exhaust. Zero fucks given. Yeah, this thing is sweet. I'm not really sure what else to say. AWE exhaust on a Ram 1500 RHO. You can find this kit on our website. We'll link it below in the description. Best parts, best prices, CSPRacing.com. That's it. Done.